streets ain't where you want to be at. And that's why I'm trying to introduce you to the stock market.
All right, man, I'm listening.
The stock market is just like the streets, but it's legal.
How you figure that?
You don't have to worry about the police kicking in your door. You don't have to worry about people trying to rob you and things like that. It's all legal and it's the same exact thing. The supplier is Ford. The supplier is Walmart. The distributor is the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ. And you will be the person that's out there selling the stock. So it's the same exact thing, but it's all legal. Yeah, I can show you.
I'll follow you.
Follow me, guys. So you telling me with this stock stuff, I can make more money than what I'm doing right now? Just like the streets. How do I start doing it? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go on a brokerage website. I use Schwab. You can use E-Traders. You can use Robinhood. All of these is brokers. And what do? You start your individual brokerage account. And that's basically like your trap house, you know? And you put your money in there and you start trading. All right, you gotta explain it again though, because I'm not really getting it. Every company makes a product. They need money to make that product. When you give them money, they'll give you a piece of the profits. When people see that they are making money, then people will give them money also. And that's what makes the stock price go up. It's all about supply and demand. What if I lose all my money? Well, if you lose all your money, that means you got to start again. It's just like the streets. How do I know which stocks to pick? You know which stocks to pick by doing your homework. If you out there on the streets, you watch, you know what's going on in the streets, right? So when you on Wall Street, you watch and you learn what's going on Wall Street. Okay, bro. I did exactly what you told me to do. I went to Schwab, I started an individual brokerage account, and I threw some money in there.
All right.
I'm proud of you because most people don't even take that first step. What do I do next? The next step will be to start buying stock. What do I buy? Which stocks do I buy? I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you which stocks to buy. But think about this. What companies do you use on a daily? What kind of phone do you have? I got an iPhone. Where do you go to get groceries? Up at Walmart. If you buy these companies, it's essentially like you loaning them money so they can keep expanding. You already shop with them anyway, right? So why not help them grow since you shop with them? And in return, they'll pay you whenever they make profits. That's how it works. That's called a dividend. So let's take a company that you just named, Walmart. You shop at Walmart already, right? Well, every 3 months when they make profit, they'll shoot you back some of the profit. So it's basically like they buying your toothpaste for you. They buying your groceries for you and things like that. That's called being a smart consumer. All right, bro. I'm excited. I made my first $50 in the stock market, man. But I don't know what I did. So how do I know exactly when to buy and when to sell? It's a lot of ways you know when to buy and when to sell. The main way that you know when to buy and when to sell is buy low, sell high. If you look at a chart, this is a chart. From left to right is time. From up and down is price. So over time, you see that this stock is moving up, right? That's called a bull market. We are in a bull market. When the stock is going down, that means it's a bear market. And they call it that because a bull, when it strikes up. It hits you with the horns and strike up. When a bear strikes, it strikes down. It goes on top of you, it strikes down. That's why they call it a bull and a bear market. So when you in a bull market and you see it going up and then one day something happens and the stock goes down, that's when you buy. An example is the other day, Facebook went down $50, but it's in a bull market, so it keeps going up. So I bought it when it went down, and I held it for 1 week. And over that week, it went right back up. So all those days, I was making money, and I made $1,600 on one trade in a week. That's how you know when to buy. Buy low, sell. All right, bro. I bought my stocks. I made a little bit of money off the dividends and stuff, but that's just pennies, man. It's like I'm nickel and diming out here. I ain't used to the small money, man. I need to make some real money. Tell me about these options. Tired of making that little money, huh? You ready to graduate? All right. Well, options is a good way to make a big amount of money in a little bit of time. The only thing about options is you could lose it all. I'm risking my life anyway. I might as well just risk money. I feel you. This is how options work. So you own some stocks, right? Let's say you own Facebook and it's trading at $400, and somebody sells you the option to buy it for $420. You're not gonna take that, right? But what if Facebook was trading at $500 and they gave you the option to buy it for $420? That's an $80 profit, right? That's how options work. You got the option to buy it at a certain price, even though it's trading at a higher price. So it's basically like, no matter what the price is, you're gonna sell it to me for this price.